Welcome to the Sunlight Podcast. In this show, we're talking about taxes, money, and careers for self-employed people who have a big vision for changing the world with their work. I'm your host, Hannah Cole, artist, tax pro, and the founder of Sunlight Tax. If you're a creative or soul-centered entrepreneur or wellness practitioner who wants to grow your business sustainably, manage your taxes, and build a stash of fuck you money so you can control your time and have a bigger impact with your work, you are in the right place. Hey, everybody. I just wanted to jump in here really quick and say that I am hosting an open house on Monday, January 15th, about my program, Money Bootcamp. This is very low key. You may or may not know that I am currently have the doors open to Money Bootcamp, and this is traditionally the biggest month of the year for people to join because January is such a good time to get all the setup in place so that this year's taxes are organized and clean and easy, but also so that your quarterly taxes are on track all year long and you could set up those automatic retirement savings and get all your tax credits, the things that you might not think about when you think about your taxes, but that are actually a sort of next level glow up. So if you've been curious about Money Bootcamp, I just want to invite you to join me for just about an hour, but it's drop in. You don't have to come at the beginning or stay to the end. You can just come and ask me a question. You're welcome to bring your spouse because I always allow spouses to join under one login because I really like for couples who share finances to be on the same page about their money. So if you've been thinking about the program, but you need the sort of like stamp of approval from your spouse, this is definitely a great scenario for that. I'll do a brief behind the scenes tour so that you can see inside Money Bootcamp. So I'll show you the spreadsheet bookkeeping system. I'll show you the tax calendar, the downloadable calendar that has the nudges, and I'll show you how robust that is. It's a lot more than just deadline reminders. It's kind of a way to keep you on track throughout the whole year in this really gentle way of just like little reminders that pop up on your calendar. So join me Monday. It's going to be at noon East Coast time. I know it's a holiday for a lot of you, so hopefully this does not conflict with work in any way. And again, you don't have to stay for the whole hour. Just show up when you want to. I will be on camera between 12 and 1. Show up. If you're curious about the program, if you'd like to see what it looks like inside, if you feel shy asking me about it, but you want to hear other people ask their questions, you're welcome also to ask me a private question in the chat. That is completely acceptable. And again, also, if you want to bring your spouse and let them have a chance to get to know the program that you've been considering. All right. One little caveat here, this is not a place to come and ask me for a free answer to your tax question. That is a paid service that I do offer, and you're welcome to book that with me. If you're in Money Bootcamp, those sessions are half price for a full year while you're in Money Bootcamp. It's one of the wonderful services I offer inside of my program, which is the place I put the huge majority of my effort and work. So I certainly welcome those questions in the right setting, but not in this open house. But this is the place for your questions about the program. And certainly, if you have a clarifying question you need to ask because you're not sure if the program is a good fit for your type of business or a certain scenario that you have, you can definitely bring that kind of question to this open house. So again, it's January 15th, noon East Coast time. Yes, that is MLK Day. It is a holiday. You're welcome to bring your spouse. You do need to register in order to come to the open house. That is really just so I can send you reminders. It's not for any other reason. So in the show notes, you'll see the link to register to come. And I hope to see you at the open house. I hope if you've been considering Money Bootcamp that this will give you that just answer any lingering questions you might have about it. The doors to the program close on Tuesday, the 16th. So this is the day before that. And that's it. I hope you'll join me. And if you're interested, again, you'll need to register, and you just click that link in the show notes to register for the open house and get any questions you have answered. All right. I hope to see you there. Bye.
Thank you for listening. If you like the show, be sure to subscribe, leave a review. It really helps, and share it with a friend. I'm so grateful. This podcast is for education and entertainment only. Nothing in this episode should be taken as individual tax or financial advice. You can find all the tools, books, and links we reference at sunlighttax.com/podcast.